With Alibi Vigilant, Smart Search tools make it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. In this video, we'll walk you through how to perform a motor vehicle, human body, and non-motor vehicle search directly from the web browser. Let's start by logging into your recorder. Before running a search, let's review the Smart Analytics setup. First, select your camera and then choose the analytic you want to use. Next, draw your detection line. From here, select the object types you want the camera to identify, including motor vehicle, non-motor vehicle, and human body. Then configure your arming and trigger actions based on your application. Once your analytics are configured, you're ready to begin searching. To perform a motor vehicle search, navigate to VCA Search under the motor vehicle settings. Select the camera or cameras you want to search, choose your analytic, and define your date and time range. Your search results will populate here. In the results panel, you'll see the camera name and event details. From here, you can also select a clip to review playback. With supported cameras, Alibi Vigilant also allows you to search using vehicle color filtering in addition to line crossing events on the selected channel. The system will then display only vehicles matching that criteria. You can also export selected results as an Excel file, an image, or a video. Now let's take a look at human body search. Start by selecting your camera and then choose your analytic. Next, set your start and end time, and to refine your results, choose upper garment color and lower garment color. The system will display a list of captured events, including camera name, event type, and detected clothing colors. For example, if you're searching for a subject wearing a black shirt and black pants, you can apply those filters to narrow your results. If needed, you can quickly adjust the search, for example blue and black, to refine the results even further. You can play back video directly from the screen, and when you find the clips you need, simply select them and choose Export Selected. Then click OK. For a non-motor vehicle search, which includes bicycles, motorcycles, and other two-wheel vehicles, select non-motor vehicle. Start by selecting your camera, then choose your date and time range, and if known, select the upper garment color to help narrow your results. The system will display the identified items, including event type, camera name, and playback options. To export the clips you want, select the desired results and choose Export Selected. And that's how easy it is to use the Alibi Vigilant Smart Search to quickly locate vehicles, people, and non-motor vehicle events from your web browser. For more training videos, product tips, and system walkthroughs, be sure to check out the rest of our Alibi Vigilant tutorial series.